Sometimes the rain is heavier, sometimes you're stuck in a storm. Sometimes the sun feels invisible, sometimes dark clouds form. But life's not about waiting for the storm to pass. Life's not about giving up and taking less. Life's not about waiting on the endless pain. But life is about learning to dance in the rain. Splish, splash, splish, splash. That's the way the rain falls. Splish, splash, splish, splash. That's the way the rain falls. Sometimes the rain gives you so much stress. Sometimes it's a hurricane. Sometimes it makes your life a total mess. Sometimes it drives you insane. But life's not about waiting for the storm to pass. Life's not about giving up and coming in last. Life's not about waiting on the endless pain. But life is about learning to dance in the rain. So we splish, splash, splish, splash. That's the way the rain falls.